A debate we've been watching with interest is the one that's swirling around the escalating cost of medication. 2 years ago, cancer doctors in the US boycotted a cancer medication that was both effective and had been approved by the FDA because, in their view, based on the patient outcomes, it was too expensive. This has also been something that's of discussion in the Australian context, with both the profitability of Medibank Private and the GP co-payment being the tip of the iceberg on a discussion about escalating healthcare costs. This debate is one that's highly emotive and that has many different points of view. On the one hand, pharmaceutical companies make huge R&D investments that enable them to bring effective drugs to market, and they can be many, many years in development. That is balanced against the societal implications of absorbing the cost of ever-increasing medication. For example, a new hepatitis C medication called Solvaldi is being currently rationed in the United States because while it's highly effective in curing this debilitating disease, it costs about $1,000 a pill. We need to decide as a community who bears the costs of these escalating medications, but also as investors, how we best position ourselves in terms of investments directly into pharmaceutical companies, and then caution around investments in health insurance companies like Medibank Private, because there is the potential for this continued profit squeeze as there's higher demand and higher costs for these sort of treatments. One of the other things it makes us reflect on as your advisor is also the need to ensure that there's adequate provision for healthcare. So this is either having liquid funds available or things like trauma insurance that can cover the costs out of pocket beyond private health insurance where there is serious illness like cancer or heart disease. We don't necessarily have all the answers, but we'll continue to follow the debate with interest and make relevant recommendations so that quality of life is something that we all enjoy.